Hey guys, welcome back. Another day, another sled to wrap. Same company, SWE Town again. This time we're wrapping the Lynx up. We're going to keep most of this on time-lapse. We're not going to go too much over the prep because we just put out a dedicated video for it. So we're just going to kind of time-lapse this, run it through. We're going to clean the sled up. We're going to peel all the stickers off. At the back, we already took off the link adapters. You're going to want to do stuff. We might actually have to take off some of the bumper here if there's pieces of the wrap that go here, which I think there are. So we might have to peel or take off some of the bumper, but that's not too bad. We're just a couple torque bolts and 8mm back there. But should be easy. Anyways, we'll show you the finished product when it's done. Just got the link brackets off here. We're actually going to leave these little pads on that go under it. We're just going to put the wrap right over top of that. Kind of sat here and thought what we're going to do. We're probably just going to do that just to leave a little bit of padding for the adapter on the wrap. But we have all 4 of them off. And then there are pieces of the wrap that go on the bumper here as well. We may have to take this off, but I'm hoping not. I'm hoping we can just get the wrap in there nicely. So we're going to get the heat gun out and start pulling off all the stickers and go from there. Just going to shoot a quick before. Again, we've had this in our videos. We already pulled one sticker off. Don't do that again, but yeah, man, that's a lot of residue. There's our before, and then we're going to shoot a little after when she's done. Throw this up on time-lapse. I'm going to do a little bit of a walk around here of the Lynx in the sunlight. Hopefully the camera's picking this up nice because this wrap is beautiful. Sneak peek here. Got Sidewinder wrapped up too. Look at that. As you can see, all our snow melted. But yeah, it's coming along. Okay, here it is, the finished product. The camera is not looking like it's doing this justice, but this wrap looks amazing. Maybe we'll get it out in the sunlight and reshoot this. It's still up on the buckets, but all the detail in it, you can kind of see it's like a red with a smoky black added, or a black with a smoky red, I'm not really sure. This wrap came from SWE Town in Sweden. I have ordered Arctic FX wraps and wraps from the US up here in Canada a couple times, but this one came from Sweden, and this is the least amount of duties I have ever paid on a wrap. So if you guys are shopping from Canada, I would give these guys, I would check them out, just simply because it only takes about a week and a half for the wrap to get to you, which is pretty well the same from the US. But my duties were about half, so just something to keep in mind. I would definitely give them a look. The wrap's actually quite cheap compared to a lot of other wraps if you get it without the holographic film. Now this does have the holographic film, and just like any other wrap company that puts that on, it is very expensive to get that film put on the sled or put on the wrap. So if you're not looking for a holographic film, the wraps are about $500. Definitely recommend giving them a look. The wrap, the coverage, they did a really, really good job. The one thing I'm wondering is why we didn't get a piece for that when we have on the underside, but besides that, it's looking good. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to drop a like, really helps out the channel.